Let me show you all of the screenshot methods in Realme 16 Pro 5G. So first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Then we can scroll all the way down and click on the accessibility and convenience. Inside we can find the screenshot. In here you'll be able to find all of the screenshot methods. So let's go on the top and then cover all of the gestures. So first we have 3 finger swipe down. All you have to do is swipe down from top of the screen with 3 fingers to capture a screenshot when this option is active. Then there's touch and hold with 3 fingers to also capture a screenshot, but this time it will be partial screenshot, which means you can select a specific amount of screen that you want to capture. Then there's power and volume down button. So all you have to do is grab your phone and find volume down and power button. Click on those 2 buttons at the same time, and that way you can also capture a screenshot. And lastly, on the bottom you can find settings for a screenshot, let's say customization. So you can enable or disable hide, status bar and navigation bar in screenshots, enable or disable screenshot sounds, screenshot notifications, and you can also change where the screenshot preview will open, on the left or right, and delete the original image after editing the screenshot. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.